Now, student, question number 6 is consider the following figure of line MN. Say whether the following statements are true or false in context of given figure. Here, one figure is given to us and MN is a line on it. Since it is a line, so we can increase it further in both the direction. Now, we will observe this figure and give answer of these statements in true or false only. First one under it is Q, M, O, and P are points on line MN. This whole from here to there is our line MN and all points are on it. So this statement is true. Okay. Now next is M, O, and R point on the line segment MN. If we talk about MN line segment, then we will take line from M to N only. We will not take Q and P point. Now we have to tell that are M, O, and N are points of line segment MN, and yes, they are the points of this line segment. So this statement is true. Okay, student. Now next is M and N are the end point of line segment M and N. If we see MN line segment, then it is clearly shows that M and N are the end points of this line segment. It is also true because both are end points. Next is O and N are the end points of the line segment OP. If we take line segment OP, then at one side there is O and another side there is P. And N is in the middle of them. So this statement is false. Next is M is one of the end points of the line segment QO. If we see line segment from Q to O, then M is one of the end point of QO. No, it is not M. Okay, M is in the middle, so this statement is wrong. So we will write false. Next is M is the midpoint of on the ray OP. OP ray will be like this, and in the middle there is N, and M is not anywhere in this ray. Okay, in the middle there is N. So this statement is also false. Now next, ray OP is different from ray QP. Here in OP ray we have only N point in the middle, whereas in QP we have 3 midpoints or 3 points. So they are different and the statement is true. Next is ray OP is same as OM. If we talk about ray OP, then in middle there is N and OM is like this. Their name is different and OP has midpoint. So OP ray is not same as OM, and this statement is false. Okay, so we will write false. Next is ray OM is not opposite of ray OP. If we see them, so both OP and OM are at opposite side of each other. One is in left side and another in right side. So this statement is wrong. So we will write false. Okay. Next is O is not the initial point of OP. Student, if we talk about ray OP, then in OP, O is the initial point. So this statement is false. Okay. They are saying O is not the initial point, but it is initial point means starting point of OP. So we will write false. Next is N is the initial point of NP and NM. If we see both ray NP and NM, then N will be the initial point of both rays. NP starts from N and NM starts from N. This statement is true. Now, so we have to write true here. And it is true. Now, this is the last part of question number 6, and question number 6 is the last question of this exercise. Student, if you have any doubts regarding any question, then you can ask to me, and that's it for this exercise.